Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is special because I am here at OEMPlus. I'm actually walking up. I'm here at OEMPlus to pick up a part I've been needing for my transmission. I've been talking to John and seeing if they can order these parts, and I'm excited because this is the beginning of a huge segment of episodes that are going to be with the rebuild on the EG. So let's get into it. My guy.
What's up, dude?
What up, man?
How's it going?
Not too bad. So you guys, today we're here at OEMPlus. We got John, the owner of the shop. And a few weeks ago, I'd hit him up to see about if I can order a Synchro kit for my B16. Sure enough, he was like, dude, we can get it. It's going to cost this much. I was supposed to get it like a week ago, but timing, I was busy with work. I couldn't get off work early, but I'm here today to pick up the Synchro kit. Really quick, can you break down the whole kit that we ordered for my transmission?
Yeah, so this is Synchrotech's carbon synchro kit for basically, I think it's like B16, B18 transmissions, things like that. It's all for hydraulic transmissions. So David over at Synchrotech, shout outs to him, basically creates this kit where it comes with all your necessary bearings, all of the necessary, like even OEM pieces here, because this is a Honda piece here.
Okay.
Everything you need to basically redo your synchro setup for first to fifth gear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I think the price tag for this whole kit was $750, and it's pretty much what first through fifth.
Yep.
And these are all carbon. You can see on the inside the carbon right here. So this is gonna be a perfect installation for my transmission. Really quick. A lot of people don't really, those people in San Diego County, maybe up north towards LA, know about OEMPlus. What do you guys do here at the shop?
Oh man, we are basically an aftermarket parts retailer here in San Diego County. So what we sell mostly is, it started off with OEM parts, right? So we have like a bunch of Honda stuff. So we're a Honda and Acura shop. We're basically able to offer you basically everything from Honda and Acura as usual. But then also we bring in the element of the aftermarket performance aspect, right? So all the other pieces that, Honda and Acura enthusiasts like Spoon and Mugen and anything basically from A to Z we're able to offer. But yeah, we kind of targeted at first like more of a restoration and like kind of resto mod kind of feeling. Yeah. Right. And then it kind of grew from there. So we still obviously love that stuff. Yeah. Because we still sell stuff like that. And I love it myself. I'm building a car to highlight that need as well. Yeah. But the back half of the shop, which is going to be called True Position. Okay. So that's more of our kind of performance suspension preparation type of region of the business. Okay. We like going to the track, and we like to cultivate that type of community. So if you ever need like tires and need a place that won't scratch your wheels, and also be able to align your super low cars and work with all the adjustable arms and stuff, definitely let us know. Nice. Okay. And from what I've seen is you have a lot of the OEM replacements and goodies, like stuff that, you could still get at Honda, but what do you think? What do you guys mostly do? Like alignments, installs? For service? Yeah. Yeah, for service, we tend to do like a top to bottom rebuilds on suspension. Okay. So a lot of our clients bring in cars that are just like us. Our cars, it's 25 to 30 years old on the original bushings and whatnot. And it all depends on what they want. We almost look at it like a tiered service. Okay. Right? So if you want to just do, hard rubber or just OEM like resto, we'll do that. But then also there's kind of like the mid tier where you might want coilovers, adjustable stuff, fit your wheels, just kind of do like a cruiser and light track use. We could do that.
Okay.
And then and then we go all the way up to the sphericals and full track prep. They trailer their cars there with crazy tow settings or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Going for PVs. So the service side of the business is, I would describe it as like anything that touches the ground and up.
Okay.
For suspension work.
Nice.
We usually handle.
Okay, nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a quick gander around the front of the shop and show everybody what we have going on.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's all a collection of all Ian's broken shit.
Ian's broken bumper that he tore off at the track.
Yeah.
Oh man, should autograph it.
We went off-roading at Buttonwillow. Yeah, so the whole sim idea at first was just so that we could try out different things, right? The whole idea was you should have ability to try out different seats, different steering wheels, different shift knobs, stuff like that. Obviously, over the course of time, I just started robbing parts off of it to put it into my car. But
This is sick.
yeah.
So you were saying literally a few minutes ago that you had put a spoon seat and a spoon steering wheel.
Yeah, and a spoon shift knob on this. So it was a full spoon setup on that.
That is crazy.
I have pictures, but I'll send it to you.
Hell yeah, this is dope. I want to get one of these. Get a pole position. I don't know what steering wheel I'd put, but dude, this is sick.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a good way to get some practice in too.
Yeah, and then I noticed the Regas.
Yeah, it's my collection of Regas right now. I just kind of fell into them and started using them to go to the track because that's what they were for.
Right, that's what Honda guys do. We just collect wheels and just just collect M7s. Not to mention the S1000 hardtop. Money.
Both these cars are using that park like this.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is my UK project. Just got back from paint. Chose Island Coral Pearl as the color for it. It'll be basically just a simple SIR setup for right now, just to kind of get it back all together and driving again. But eventually, it'll get an engine swap, and we'll be able to address the engine bay. But right now, just kind of getting it all together and making it into more of like a cruiser that I could put my daughter in the back of and take it to meets and actually go.
Sick. Yeah, it looks like a copper color. If you'd like, under the light, probably looks a lot better under the sun.
Yeah. I chose this color because my friend back east, one of my best friends back east, had a coupe that was this color.
Okay.
But it was super faded.
Oh.
So I was like, man, I wonder what it was like new. And then I went on Honda Tech and stuff.
Yeah.
Trying to find it, and all the pictures are super grainy, and I couldn't tell.
Yeah.
And so for years I was like, man, I always liked it. And then when the idea came up to actually paint this car, it's originally Roma red or whatever, right? And so I thought about doing new Formula Red from an S2000 or even Milano.
Oh, okay.
But the paint guys already started prepping the car.
Oh,
and
yeah.
The last minute I just came in. I was like, hey, paint it this color.
Yeah.
So I'd never seen it before.
Yeah.
The guy did the spray outs and stuff like that, and I'm looking at it under the sun. I'm like, is it gonna be too coppery? Or what?
Yeah.
And when it got painted, I was just blown away. I was like, man, I love this color. It's
Yeah,
so sick.
it looks really good. I was talking to Mike G about this. Is the one thing that stands out is when you paint a car that no one's has. You have a color no one has. There was Chris's Integra. It's Laguna Seca Blue.
Yeah.
And it looks so good in the sun. So I always recommend anyway, if you're gonna paint your car, just paint a color that no one has. Not to say that no one can copy you, but if you have the right theme or the right set of wheels in mind or engine base setup, once that paint is kind of make or break. Also with the wheels.
Yeah.
But
absolutely. I think that's why the EK is the hardest car to pick out a wheel for. It's everything either looks terrible or just right.
Yeah.
So
we'll be looking forward to seeing this thing soon.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. And then we got the Integra behind us.
Yeah, this is my 2000 Integra LS. In a funny way, this car kind of found me. I didn't really go looking for it.
Okay.
It was originally a client's car, and then it was here getting a bunch of work done, and then we ended up I sold him my 95 Civic SI.
Oh, okay.
And this car came along as a trade.
Oh, nice. Nice.
But yeah, it's basically my track car.
Okay.
I don't use it for any other reason, so. The whole concept of this was to be more more or less like an approachable like budget type of track.
Okay.
So it doesn't have anything super expensive. You know, it has like energy bushings in it, Godspeed coilovers. You know, it has function 7 stuff, but that's just because, you know, for the culture.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And then it has Woolwoods now, but overall, like this car is what I've been using to really learn and actually get back out there and get my, you know, my I guess skills up to par.
Yeah.
It's just still stock LS. Has a GSR transmission with a whole bunch of M factory stuff.
Oh, sick.
Little Synchrotech stuff and M factory LSD is in it. You know, bolt-ons, and overall, like, it's been honestly solid. It still has AC and everything.
Ooh.
It's such a fat car.
Yeah.
It's not fast, but it definitely is super reliable.
Oh yeah. Nice. So, oof, I noticed the racing hearts.
Yeah.
Dude.
So the racing hearts, I mean, I just like wheels, right? So, yeah, I had to do something like that.
Yeah.
Racing hearts are basically, you know, I always like the look of it. And I felt like this car really needed something that was contrasting with black. Right?
Oh, yeah.
So black on black looks really good too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then even the brake ducts. I'll get you the company name, but I forget the name now. I'm sorry, whoever made them. But, you know, looking at, you know, cars like Donut's car and Reza's old Integra, I always wanted
Oh yeah.
that look. So still got to black out that corner piece. Like the difference here is like I still maintain my blinker.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
Nice.
It'll probably get a P1 lip on it eventually.
Uh-huh.
And it has like easy work replica mirrors on it. And then the interior is pretty simple in terms of like I still have the sound deadening, everything. It still has AC in it.
Oh, sick.
So it's
nice-
actually really cool.
Yeah, it's a nice little setup. You know, from what I've learned from the guys that do go to the track, you know, wheels, I mean, a nice lightweight wheel, a good suspension setup, you know, coilovers, sway bars, control arm, subframe brace, and you don't even need like have a fully built motor. You can drive an LS or a B20.
No, absolutely. I mean, this car track prep is really just an oil change.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have to really do much. I mean, I'll probably do like a nut and bolt check every once in a while, just in case I have an off or something.
Okay.
Once over it.
Yeah.
But this car has been so reliable, and like at the track, it really is. The limitation's me, not the car.
Oh yeah.
You know, like I know it still has a lot of progress in it, but I just get to get more practice.
Yeah.
Like this car is the first car that I've actually been going to the track probably like once a month with Ian. Basically just going to streets and Chuckwalla. This year we'll probably try taking it to Buttonwillow.
Oh, sick.
So,
Nice.
I want to get it more. I do want to make it faster.
Yeah. That's usually what happens. You start off, you're like, I want some more power.
Yeah.
But then like when you get more power, then you got to get used to like the power on a turn.
Yeah. Well, the issue is like I feel like I've always driven underpowered cars.
Oh yeah.
So I'm like, man, I need to get to this point in order for me to like finally deserve getting some horsepower.
Yeah.
I'm like looking at the telemetry data on this car. I'm like, dude, it's not me that can't find 20 horsepower on the front straight.
Right.
Got 20 miles an hour. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
So it needs some oomph.
Yeah. Just a little more power under the hood.
It'll stay basically more or less the same in terms of the suspension setup. I'm really happy with it.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. I mean, I've seen it the last time when we did Ian's feature, and I saw the car, and you had the Group Bs on it. It looks so good. Even with the racing hearts, it still looks amazing. But these are freaking rare to find. I wish they made it in 414 though.
Yeah, man, you gotta convert back.
Right. Thanks again, bro. I appreciate you. If you guys want to get some work done suspension wise, order parts, hit up my boy John. He will definitely take care of you. They're located here in San Diego, and I highly recommend to come to OEMPlus. We'll definitely be seeing you soon, man. Thanks again. I'm so excited for this. So I got my Synchro kit for my transmission. It was so good to catch up with John. We actually spent like more than the time that I expected to be here, but that's just how it goes, you know. If most of you guys know, you know, you talk to your boys about cars, Hondas, anything Honda related. It's just you go down a rabbit hole. But we talk, dude, about just everything in general. NWP, Honda Tech, you know, all the old threads or forums that aren't really around anymore. But the good thing is, though, I came to get my parts. I wanted to showcase the shop. So if you guys ever want to pick up anything from them, if you're in San Diego, or even if you're up north, hit them up online, hit them on IG. I'll put their info below. You guys can literally almost order almost everything. I think for the most part, like I ordered my Synchro kit. I ordered, I'm about to order my clutch and flywheel through, and we were just talking. He's like, yeah, I can order for you. So I'm definitely gonna keep coming to them because they're not too far of a drive for me, especially in Temecula. But yeah, so I want to make this known for you guys. This is part 1 of several episodes that are going to dwindle down for the rebuild of the EGs. This is the beginning. It's the first phase of it. So next video, we will be rebuilding the transmission. I can't tell you where, but it'll be a surprise. We'll rebuild the transmission, and then after that, we will be hopefully mocking up the engine in the bay. Also, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, please. We're trying to get to 4,000 subs. And then I have merch. If you guys want to support the channel, check us out on speed_options. Pick up some merch. I have the NDP stuff on there. I am working on some other merchandise that's for my B series guys, which I'm excited to do. I already got the vector file for it, so it's just a matter of getting these shirts made. There's just so much I'm trying to do all at once. But again, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you on the next one.